Chanel.
Yeah. We're also talking about
This aspect of our lives.
yes. It's called STYLO Ombre Contour. So it's got the right texture to be smooth enough to go inside your eyes. And then you can just smudge it and do a smoky eye. Perfect
So it's just
for you.
pencil, finger,
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
So this is option one.
Option one, you wear it just underneath and through the lash line to give you definition and strength.
It's focused and pointed and confronting.
Just glide to go inside the inner corner and then elongate to the outer corner, bringing out your eyes, making them look bigger. Also, I'm smudging it so it doesn't feel too harsh.
I really like the purple, actually.
It's Rouge Noir. It brings out the green and yellow in your eyes a lot.
In a kind of vulnerable sense, it has this like bruised quality. Strength and vulnerability is the sexiest thing.
That's a good one. So if you want to push a little harder and use it as an eyeliner on top of your eyes, and then I like to draw it into the socket. Takes a little bit more time and slight more technique. You need to use brushes and leaving this part light and this part is dark. Depth and light, chiaroscuro. When I do your makeup, I can come in with an idea, but it always is really instinctive because I need to do something that I believe on you.
The best way to do things is to make sure that you're in an environment that you've set up with a tremendous amount of control. But then once you're there, all of that work should feed into something that lacks every ounce of control.
And this is your next work.
Oh, cool. This is my new character.
I'm going to intensify this to the max. So I'm going to feel everything in. Sometimes certain textures and certain colors contribute into making you feel a certain way. I'm sure you have to do that a lot when you create a character.
I have to feel like that person exists so fully that unless you help that person come to be, then you're depriving them of existing.
I feel like I know you really well now, and I think that certain things that they just don't belong to your personality, and I just cannot do them.
This one's pretty confrontational.
I'm gonna add mascara. Le Volume Révolution.
It's a bit thicker, right?
Yeah, this will open up your eyes more by adding a coat around your eyelashes.
I'm just imagining my eyelashes wearing a little Chanel coat, a little black jacket.
Yes, the little black jacket of your lashes.
This is a girl that knows what she wants.
Definitely.
Yeah. Sometimes the more obvious aspects of a person that you're playing, somewhere deep inside you may have that in you, and that character helped just bring it out so you can excavate different sides of yourself.